Good morning. My name is Sohail. Today my topic is on continuous time system classification based on stability with examples. Continuous time system. A system is an operation for which causes and effects relation exist. The properties of continuous time system is that when we use x powered x into t for the input to the system and y into t as the output system, and we use the notation system, the whole output y into t into 0 at a time t is equal to dependence on the values of the inputs, and the other than just into t into 0 has the memories. The discrete time system is a processing a given input sequence x into n to generate an output sequence y into n with more desirable properties. It is the most important application. The discrete system is in a single input, single output system in x into n, discrete time y into n, input sequence, output sequence. Physically, a system is an interconnection of component devices, etc., such as computer or an aircraft or a power plant. A system can be viewed as a block which can take an input signal x into t or x into n and result the generate output by t or y into n. A shorthand notation x into t gives to yt or x into n gives into y into n. A system is a continuous time, or we can say as a discrete time when it is in IO, I divide into O signals and R continuous time signals, which is also called discrete time signals. Despite having different physical origins, these systems have similar mathematical representation. Hence, it makes sense to study a mathematical a representation that is a common way of different applications. Properties of continuous time system. Here we discuss with some of the properties of time signal when we use x into t for the input to the system by t as output. System with a memory. System whose output y into t naught at time t naught depends on the values of the input other than just x into t or has the memory. A system is called a memoryless if the output at any time t or n depends only on the input at the time t or n. In other words, independent of the input at the times before or of the after. Examples of memoryless system: yt is equal to rx into t. Examples of system with memory: yt is equal to 1 by c integration of minus infinity to 1 x into t into dt. Casualty. A system is called casualty or non anti capacity if the output at any time depends on only on the input times before. In the other words, independent of the inputs after t or n. All memoryless systems are casual. Physical systems, the time is independent variables are casual. Non-casual system may arise in applications where the independent variables is not the time, such as in the image processing application. Example of casual system. Example of non-casual system is yt is equal to x into minus t. Stability. Stability, a system is called stable if it produces the bounded outputs for all the bounded inputs. The signal x of t is bounded if for some m is less than infinity. Stability is a physical system generally result for the presence of mechanism that dissipate energy such as a resistor in a circuit, friction in a mechanical system. Example of system with memory. The voltage depends on past values of the current. So capacitor has memory. Inverse of a system. Inverse of a system is a invertible if we can determine the input uniquely from the output. That is, there is one-to-one relation between input and output. In this case, we would write that inverse of the system is S is SI. A resistor is invertible because you can recover the current from the voltage. X of t is equal to I of t, comma y of t is equal to v of t, x of t is equal to v of t by r. Y of t is equal to x of phi is an invertible system since it is one to one. Example of some systems are that are non-vertical. Y of t is equal to x of t into u of t, which has zero, not much of the output. Y of t is equal to x square t, does not show any sign. Y of t is equal to cos of x of t, which we have to add 2 pi to x of t. Time invariance is also called as time invariant if the way is respond to the inputs does not change over the time. X of t give rise to y of t, y of n give rise to y of n. Examples of invariant system are the RC circuit considered earlier, provided the value of R or RC constant. Example of time varying system is y of t is equal to x of 2 into t. Linearity in continuous time system. A system is called linear if its I/O behavior satisfy the additivity and the homogeneity properties. Equivalently, a system is called linear if its I/O behavior satisfies the superposition properly, where the complex contains A and B. The definition of linearity is the same for the discrete time system. For a linear system, x of t is equal to 0, give rise to y of t is equal to 0. Example of linear system are y of t is equal to integration of minus infinity to t. Example of non-linear system, y of t is equal to 2 of x of t plus 3 since 0 give rise to 3. Many physical systems can be accurately modeled as a linear system around its operating point. There are many types of signal classification like linear and non-linear system, time variant and in time invariant system, linear time variant and linear time invariant system, static and dynamic systems, and casual and non-casual system, invertible and non-invertible system, stable and unstable. Here is an example of y of t is equal to x square of t. Let the input is u of t, which is unit step bounded input. Then the output is y of t is equal to 2 ut is equal to u of t. Because the bounded output, hence the system is stable. A continuous time system. A continuous time system is one which transforms continuous time input signals into the continuous time output signals. The amplifiers, filters, integrators, and differentiation are the example of continuous time signal system. Discrete time system is one of which transform the discrete time input signals into the discrete time output signal. Y of t is y of n is equal to t of x of n. Microprocessor, semiconductor, shift registers, etc. are the sample examples of discrete time signals. Both continuous time and discrete time system may be classified as loomed parameters, static and dynamic systems, casual and non-casual, linear and non-linear. A system which obeys the principle of superposition and the principle of homogeneity, it is called as linear system. Time invariant and time varying system is a property of system which makes the behavior of the system time independent. A system is said to be time invariant if the input output characteristic does not change to the time. If x of t give rise to y of t, then x of t small t minus capital T give rise to y of small t to minus c. A system not satisfying the above requirement is called as time varying system. The time varying properties of the given continuous time signals can be tested as the following: x of t be the input and x of small t minus capital T be the input delayed by the time units capital T. Y of t is equal to t of s of t be the output for the input of x of t. A bounded signal is a signal whose magnitude always a finite value is called a bounded signal. A system is said to be bounded input and bounded output say BIBO if and only if every bounded input produce a bounded output. The output of the stable system do not diverge or does not grow unreasonably large. A basic property of convolution in the continuous time is that the cumulative operations, the output of LTI system with an input of x of t and the unit impulse response h of t is identically to the output of L of t system with the input of h of t and impulse response of x of t. Another basic property of convolution is the distributive property, especially convolution system over the addition, so that A distribution property has a useful interpretation in the terms of system interconnection.